There, I think everything is there. Yeah, everything. This is the ultimate complete vlogging kit when it comes to DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal and my smartphone Android. Everything you need to create amazing, beautiful, fantastic travel, family, vacation videos. Lightweight and small. And I'm gonna show you in today's video what's inside and how you can use it. My name is Zdenka Darla. If you want to learn how to take better photos and videos with the latest gear and try creative camera challenges, consider subscribing. Let me start with the basic vlogging kit, which I already showed you in one of my past videos. The most important item would be your smartphone, whichever you have, Android, iPhone. I have Android, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and the next most important item would be gimbal, and that is DJI Osmo Mobile 3. For better sound, I'm going to add external microphone. I'm using Rode. This one came with my Canon M50 camera. This microphone wire is for regular camera. It's not going to work with your smartphone. You need a different one, TRS to TTRS. To attach it to the gimbal, you need this ring clamp adapter. Let's look at some examples. Here is a video without the gimbal. So here is how the video would look like if you had no gimbal, no external microphone. The only thing I did was locked the brightness. I'm using standard camera app, nothing else, just my smartphone in a hand. And today it's quite nice, a little bit windy, but I'm hiding behind the woods here. This is a smooth video thanks to gimbal. Now we are talking. Let's do this. Alright, now we are vlogging actually with the DJI Mimo app, no external microphone, but I have face tracking selected, so wherever I'm gonna move, the phone is going to nicely follow me, which I really like, so we can walk around, have fun. Stenka, next time turn off the Wi-Fi, because obviously your email notifications are coming as you're filming. Alright, now we're gonna be vlogging with the external microphone, but I just want to show you one more tip. So when you turn the gimbal on, once it's stabilized and actually turn on, then I'm finding the best way is to add the external microphone after. So now that is already open up, just put it on. That's it. Make sure the wire is very loose so there is no tension on the motors. Many people ask me if the external microphone is working for me in the DJI Mimo app. It works for me, no problem. It works for me with the Android phone. Also, if you're gonna be shooting outdoors, filming outdoors, I highly suggest to get this furry dead cat for your microphone. It really helps reducing the wind sound. And another take. This time I'm filming in DJI Mimo app with the external microphone. I do have brightness locked and I have face tracking again, so when I move the camera is going to nicely follow me. Very smooth video, sound should be a little bit better. Well, that was the basic kit I showed you before, but now let me show you the other items I have here. If you are going to shoot in low light, then you should have in your bag small LED light. I have this WeLight RB08P, which I did a full review on. I'll add the link to the video below video description. To attach it to the gimbal, you will use this mini bean grip. You don't need to write it all the way down. All of it will be linked below video. One end goes to LED light and the other end goes to ring adapter. I am not finished yet. I have a few more items here. This phone has 3 great lenses: wide, standard, and telephoto. I decided to add another lens to it, and it's the Moment anamorphic lens. I did a review on this lens in past video as well. The link will be also below. For that, you also need a Moment case to be able to attach the lens to the phone. Now, when I was talking about using the anamorphic lens and the case with this phone on the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal, I was mentioning that the motors were kind of sounding like they are working a little bit too hard. Some of you suggested to get the counterweights. I got them. I ordered them. They are very cheap, and I really wanted to test it out to make sure I get to the bottom of this, to get that setup kind of working. I added 2 of them, and I found that it is enough to have the phone more centered and balanced. I still hear the motors tiny bit, but it is much better, so thank you for suggesting this. You can film with this lens in any app, however your footage will look squeezed. You need to squeeze it in a post. If you want to see the real anamorphic look as you are filming, it is the best to use Filmic Pro app. Do you actually want me to create videos on how to use Filmic Pro app? Let me know in the comment section below. You can also use Moment app as well. Last 3 items will complete this setup. Here is filter attachment for the anamorphic lens. Simply place it over the anamorphic lens, and now you can attach 52mm variable ND filter. This ND filter I already had here, as I am using it with my main camera Canon M50. With this filter, you can make your smartphone footage look like this. To do this, however, you need to shoot in manual mode. And just for a comparison, here's a footage without ND filter. I also have CPL filter here, the same size, 52mm. It reduces flares and reflections. You can add it to the filter attachment on the anamorphic lens, and I know the anamorphic lens is used for the flares and those light streaks, but there are situations where you don't want to always have those light streaks, and for that you might actually like the CPL filter, especially if you're shooting through the lakes and through the water. So you can get your footage, instead of looking like this, to look like that. If you want to shoot in slow motion, you can just hold it in your hands. Yes, I also made a video about that, how to film handheld and edit video with the smartphone. And if you want to film in real speed, just grab DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal, add counterweights. I've got 3 here. It works. All those accessories here are very powerful. You can create some powerful things with it. All you have to do now is just to learn how to use it all. If I had this many years ago, our family and travel videos would look completely different. So now when I put all of this in this little bag, except the phone, this is it, and the total weight is 1010 grams. This is for those who want the ultimate, complete, exceptional filming experience. And if you have a little bit room, add monopod, so you can lift it very high in the air to get those very cool looking shots. Well, give it a thumbs up if you found this video useful. Subscribe to more videos like these. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to walk you through the Filmic Pro app, or if you want me to create more cinematic step-by-step type of deal how to film with this whole setup. Simply let me know in the comment section below what you're after, and I will see everyone in the next video. Ciao, ahoy!